So we're looking at signing up on canva.com. So you can just go to canva.com on your browser, or you can download the app, whichever one suits you. Then just come here and click on login. So once you click on login, it will take you to where you'd select which email you would like to use. So once you've selected the email, you can either choose your personal mail. You put your personal mail and you enter continue, or you put your personal mail, or you can use your Gmail account, which I advise everyone to do, so that your password will be saved. So you select any of your Gmail accounts that you prefer and you click on it, and then you be able to log in. You can also use your Facebook account. It all depends on whichever one you feel is convenient. But if I would advise, I would still say you should stick to Gmail, because once you sign up with your Gmail, your password will be saved and protected. So now I'll try to log in with my personal email, because I have already logged in with my Gmail. I have an account with my Gmail. I don't have an account with my personal mail on Canva. So for the course of this training, I'll be using my personal email. So after that, entering your email, it will ask you to enter a name. So you can enter your name, and then you create account. Then you enter the code that will be sent to your email for verification. So you go to your email, pick the code, then paste it here. I think after that, wait for it to load, then you're in. I guess it will still ask 1 or 2 questions. So yeah, either select business or personal, whichever one, doesn't really matter, but it will affect 1 or 2 things they send to you. Then select maybe later. Here too as well, select maybe later, because we don't want to do the free trial now. Let's just see the interface, what it looks like. Yes, you've successfully signed up with Canva. So you can see your interface. There are a lot of features Canva has on their platform. Lots of features, like when I say hundreds of thousands of templates, of posts, of stories, ideas that you can use, twist and turn, and create your own designs. You can choose from Instagram posts, you can choose from stories and post on your Facebook or Instagram stories. You can design your logo templates, you can create flyers, great flyers. You have Instagram stories, posters, Facebook posts, create invitation cards, even your resume, your CV. You can create your CV using Canva. There's so many things you can do on Canva. All you just need to do is search. Once you know how to search for templates, that's it. You can have hundreds of templates to use for the rest of your, I don't know, for the rest of the time you run your business. So you can just keep shuffling, changing, and all that. So it's fun using Canva, because Canva makes life easy for the business man and makes work easy for a graphic designer. So I think I'd ask you guys to try and sign up on Canva, and then in the next video I'll talk more on the features like templates, projects, and the rest. Thank you.
Welcome to RoccoPass.com.